Now we're going to talk about how to install your pin lock fin into your recreational inflatable kayak. The first thing you want to do is look inside the channel to make sure there's no debris in there. Next thing you want to do is take the front of the fin, push it forward, push down, and pull back to line up the holes on the fin and the fin box. The next thing you do is take the pin, insert it into the hole all the way through so that it latches, and then take a little tug to make sure your fin's secure. After you're done having a great day on the water, to remove the fin, you want to squeeze the pin together and pull it back through. Then you want to pull the back of the fin box up, push forward, and remove the fin.